Minvo is a fantastic AI tool for pulling clips from long-form video and even editing your shorts. With Minvo's features like presets, you can save a ton of time by not having to re-edit and apply colors, logos, and fonts. What if you create shorts for your clients and you have multiple brands to keep track of? Check this out. In Minvo, you may or may not have noticed this drop down in the top corner. These are different brands or workspaces that you can create in Minvo. It can be a great way to organize your videos if you create a bunch of different types of content in videos, or for keeping track of your clients' work. And what's even cooler is that all of the presets, the colors, the brand stuff that you set for that brand stays with that brand. It doesn't carry over into the other brands. So let's take a look at how to set up a brand. So once you're logged into Minvo, you're going to come up to the top right corner and you're going to click that drop down. And here you can see all the different brands that I have, which in most cases for me to organize different types of content that I'm creating. But at the very bottom, you can click add brand. Now here you can give your brand a name. So we're just going to say new brand. You can upload a logo. And if you don't upload a logo, you just get the default Minvo logo there. But you could upload your client's logo or some other icon that makes sense. You can select your default language. So I'm going to choose English. And then here you can choose all of the AI preferences, the magic preferences as they call it. We got magic emojis if you want that to automatically be generated every time you upload your videos and it generates the clips. It'll automatically apply those magic emojis. Same thing with B-roll and same thing with magic emphasis. So I'm just going to leave everything like this for now. Then the next thing you can do is put in your brand colors. So these will apply to your magic emphasis if you have this turned on. I have a specific video that talks more about magic emphasis and what it does and how it works. I'll put a link to that down in the description of this video. So here you can adjust what that color is. You can even type in the code here. So I'm just going to put in 6 random letters. And once you have your brand colors in, all you have to do is click continue. And now you can see up in the corner, we have the new brand that we just created, and it now shows in our list here as well. Now for any videos that we upload to this brand, the specific presets, the brand colors that we just selected, all that is going to go with this brand and this brand only. Now, if you want to learn more about creating presets for those brands, check out this video right here. And if this video is helpful, be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more Minvo tips and tricks.